How to change country in Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change a country in your Android device. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's just jump right into it. First step, you will need to open up your settings. So locate your settings and then open it up. After you're on your settings, simply find the search bar and tap on it. And what you'll need to do here is search for region. So after you're on this section, what you'll need to do is head over to language, and after you're there, you'll find multiple options again. After you're on this section, what you'll need to do is search for an option that allows you to reset your language. So head over to languages, and after you're here, you'll find system language, or you'll find regional preferences. Tap on this, and from here you can set multiple things up, but you should also find a region option which allows you to change it. So head over to system languages after that, and from here tap on add languages, and from here you can simply bring out a language from your country and enable it. So after you've done that, if you even want to change it, you can put it up like this and restart your device. And yeah, there is no direct change country option, but this is how you do it. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and if you liked the video, hit the like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.